Welcome to a new series I like to call What the Funk Gists, where I break down a topic in about a minute or less. In this video, we're going to tackle connecting to Ethereum with Go. If you're new here, make sure to like and subscribe, and with that out of the way, let's go. Setting up a client is a fundamental step required for any app interacting with the blockchain. Go is no different. For Go, we need to import the ETH client from the Go Ethereum package and use the dial method. The dial method accepts a variety of provider URLs. For example, you can connect for free to nodes provided by Infura.io. If you prefer to run your own node, you can connect via IPC to your node running on your local machine. You can also connect to a test node using something like Ganache. Installing Ganache is as easy as running npm and installing the Ganache-CLI package. To start your test node, just run Ganache CLI. To connect to your Ganache instance, just connect to localhost at port 8545. You can even use a predetermined mnemonic to make sure all the addresses instantiated on your Ganache instance are the same every time. Instantiating a client with a little bit of error checking would look something like this. To make sure everything works, just use Go run on the command line, and congratulations, we've connected to Ethereum using Go. Once again, if you've enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and leave any comments or questions down below. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.